Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. In the previous video, we calculated fertility rates. Okay. In this video, I am calculating the gross reproduction rate and the net reproduction rate. In the vital statistics, you are having three major concepts. One is a fertility, second one is a reproduction rate, and third one is a mortality rate. In the first video, I done with a fertility. First video fertility complete ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ 1 to 16 ವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ all types of problems are already calculated. In this video, the next continuation of that only, the 17th exercise sum GRR problem. The 17th exercise sum, that is a GRR. The GRR means the gross reproduction rate. Just I will show you where it is. Just up to this is completed, and this I start with I calculate, and how to do this I will show you the calculation part. The 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Okay. Then the compute GRR. Compute GRR for the following data. What is given in the question? That is a age group is given, and the female population and female births is given in the question. These three columns, just you have to be alert, because GRR problem is GRR formula you already calculated, you already aware of this one. I into summation of 15 to 49 age group WSFR. Okay, this is a formula. I means it is a magnitude of the class, that is a width is 5 into summation of 15 to 49 age group, that is a WSFR. WSFR, what is a WSFR? WSFR means the woman specific fertility rate. Woman specific fertility rate means we are calculating here as the female births and female population. In the previous, ನೀವೀಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಒಳಗ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬರೀ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಅದ. ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್, ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದ female population we are considering, but the whole births we are considering, not a female births. Okay, not a female births. That's why here we are considering as a female births divided by female population into 1000 as a WSFR. What is a WSFR formula means? I will write it here. Before that, I will calculate the 189 divided by 15,580 into 1000. Just I calculated this one, 189 divided by 15,580 into 1000. Then we are getting as a answer as 12.13. Okay. Then again 711 divided by 11,120 into 1000. Then ಸೇಮ್ ASFR ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಏಜ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲಿಟಿ ರೇಟ್, ಹಂಗೆ WSFR ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್, ಅದು ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 15 to 49 ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಟ್ಟ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ 63.94. I already calculated these all WSFR. Just I am showing you how to calculate. 969 divided by 15,950 into 1000, that is a 60.75. The same way we are calculated 39.41, 21.45, okay, 7.09 and 0.57. This is a total of WSFR. Okay. Then I have to take a total of this. You already calculated. That is a 205.24. 205.24. Okay. Then after that, just we are substituting it in the formula 5 into that one for 205.24. That is equals to answer is 1026.2. 1026.2 female births, that is a female births per thousand female population athwa woman per 1000 woman. This is a, you have to write like that, 1026.2 female births per 1000 woman. Okay, then WSFR must and should, whenever you are calculating a WSFR or ASFR, but you have to show it how you calculated. Then the female births we considered as a female births divided by female population into 1000 into 1000. Then the only one I am showing here, 189 divided by 15,580 into 1000. That answer comes as a 12.13 is a answer. 12.13. The age width is 5 is there. That's why 5 into we calculated, and WSFR we calculated all this. Okay. This is a GRR. The gross reproduction rate you have to calculate. Must and should both the formulas you have to write it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಈಗ 2021 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ WSFR GRR ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ WSFR ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ದು. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಜಾರು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ 99 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. 99 ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ ನಾವು, 99 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ WSFR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Formula must and should you have to write it. This is a GRR, you have to write it up to this 5 marks. Okay. Then the next one is 18th sum, that is a NRR, net reproduction rate. I already the problem I written. Okay. This is a compute NRR for the following data. But in NRR, age group, female population, female births and survival rate is given. Okay. And the survival rate, survival ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು GRR ಒಳಗ. But NRR ಒಳಗ 4 columns is given. Okay. That is a one more column, that is a survival rate. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೈಫ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗ. That's why we consider this one as a yes ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ NRR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು? NRR ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ WSFR ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. WSFR and then we have to multiply this WSFR into S in the column only. Okay. Okay, WSFR. You already know the WSFR formula, that is a female births divided by female population into 1000. This female births divided by female population into 1000. Go on calculating. That we are getting as a 192 divided by 16,000 into 1000. That is a 12 is the answer. Okay. Then this one is 252 divided by 16,800 into 1000. That is a 15. That is a 50. 40. Okay. Then 20. 10. And 1. Okay. Means 15 divided by 15,000 into 1000 ಅಂದಾಗ 50,000 0 cancel ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. 15 divided by 15, that is a 1. Then after calculating this WSFR into S you have to multiply. Into this survival rate you have to multiply. ಇವೆರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದ. That answers I already calculated. That is 12 into 0.921, 15 into 0.901, 50 into 0.885, like that. The answer is 11.052, the first one. Second one 13.515, okay, 44.25, 34.48, 17, okay, 8.32 and 0.812. That is a 0.812 into 1. That is a 0.812. Then you take a total of this. Because you have to okay. Then only you are calculating a NRR. Only necessary to take this total. Then I am writing here the NRR. NRR is equals to, the formula is I into summation of 15 to 49 WSFR into S. WSFR into S. But here the width is 5. That's why we have to take age width is 5. And S means the survival rate. Okay. Then 5U into summation of this 15 to 49 WSFR into S. Then na formula adella explain nimaga deep agi innond videos olaga previous video olaga madine adana, hingagi na illi adane explain madodilla, direct I am giving you a problem. Okay. Then ಇಲ್ಲಿ total of this one is 128.617. Then this 5 into 128.617, that is equals to the total multiplication with the 5. That answer is 643.085 female births per 1000 women. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ನೀವು ಬರೀತೀರಿ, female births per 1000 women. But it is a survival rate is given. NRR is this one. But if have to write it as a WSFR formula, WSFR is equals to female births divided by female population into 1000. Then you have to show it as a 1 anyone. This 192 divided by 16,000 into 1000. That is equals to 12 is a answer. Calculate maad nodi. 12 is a answer. Okay. This is a WSFR and NRR. Compute NRR. If they are asking per woman, then we will calculate divided by 1000 for this. Okay. Innond problem alli na nodde 19th sum is per woman they ask, then we will calculate that one. Okay. This is a 18th sum. You have to, for 5 marks you have to calculate up to this. Okay. Illi GRR ಮತ್ತು NRR problem we already calculated this one. This answer is given as a 647.145. 647, but ನಮ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ 643.085 ಬಂತು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ನೀವು ಅಗೇನ್ you one more time you calculate and write the answer properly, correctly. Okay. Then the 19th sum is given as a 10 marks sum. That is, if they are asking only GRR and only NRR, that is a 5 marks. If they are asking calculate GRR and NRR, that is a 10 marks sum. That is a 10 marks sum. Okay, I already written this one. The calculate NRR and GRR. Okay, then how to calculate a GRR and NRR? That is, the age group is given, female population, female births and survival rate is given. Then we have to calculate, it's a bigger one, the values are. Then we have to take it as in the column. If you are writing in an answer sheet, you write down as age barcode, WSFR you calculate, yes you write down, and WSFR into yes. The 4 columns is enough to write it in the answer sheet. Then directly I will take it here as a WSFR. WSFR I am taking. This WSFR 15,133 divided by 13,90,000 into 1,000. Okay. Then you know how to calculate. Directly I write the answer. Then the answer is 10.887. Then the answer, next answer, 94,155 divided by 14,22,000 into 1,000. That is, answer is 66.213 and 67.505. 41 point, the same way I already calculated, 21.641, 6.299, 0.4199. Okay, this is a WSFR what we calculated. Then you have to multiply with this, yes, WSFR into yes. The next column is WSFR into yes. Okay. After multiplying these two, we are getting as a 10.534 and 63.982, 65.021, 39.564, 20.6, 5.936 and 0.3896. Okay. Minimum after decimal point you have to take a 3 or 4 values. Then only you are getting a correct answer. Okay. Then after taking this WSFR total and WSFR into yes total, this one is 214.25 is the total of this WSFR, and WSFR into yes, that is 206.03. 206.03. Then how to calculate a GRR and NRR? You already know how to calculate, but here in this problem they given as a GRR both and NRR. I into summation of 15 to 49 WSFR. I badli 5 ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. 5 into 214.25. Then the answer you are getting as a 1071.23 female births per 1000 population, per 1000 women. Then NRR, for NRR is equals to 5 into summation of 15 to 49 WSFR into S. Then 5 into WSFR into S is 206.03. That is equals to a 1030.133. 1030.133 female births per 1000 women of a childbearing age. Okay, this is GRR and NRR, and the one you have to write it as a WSFR formula compulsory, that is a female births. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತತಿ. ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಇಂಟು 1000 ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 15,133 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 13,90,000 into 1000. That is equals to 10.887. ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪರ್ ವುಮನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರೇನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪರ್ ವುಮನ್ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ 20th ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. This 1030 and 1071. Okay, we got an exact answer. The GRR is 1071.15 per 1000 and NRR 1030.50 per 1000 woman population. Okay, these are the answers. We got it. Okay, this one is done. And again we have to calculate as a 20th, that is a GRR for the following data. Compute the GRR per woman and NRR per woman and hence comment on the result. Okay, then the age group, female population, female births and survival rate is given. Okay, then I already written this one. The same only again and again the same we are calculating because of you only. You have to become you will become a practice for this. ಈಗ WSFR ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. WSFR into S. Okay, WSFR is the 480 divided by 16,000 into 1,000, that is a 30. ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ GRR NRR ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ಐತಿ. ಐದರ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅವರು, ಇಲ್ಲ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದನ್ನ 30, 10 and 4. The WSFR into S ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 27.3, 50.4, 44.5, 35.2, 26.1, 8.6 and 3.4. The total of this is 195.5 WSFR into S. This total is 220. The WSFR total is. Then we have to calculate a GRR and NRR. GRR is equals to 5 into the summation of WSFR, that is a 15 to 49 age group. That is 5 into 220. That is equals to, the answer is 1100. But they asked per woman. That's why GRR per woman, that is GRR answer divided by 1000. You have to calculate 1100 divided by 1000. That is equals to 1.1. That is equals to 1.1. 1.1 female births per woman. 1.1 female births per woman. Per 1000. This is per 1000. This is a per woman. This is GRR. And NRR is equals to 5 into summation of 15 to 49 WSFR into S. Then this is equals to 5 into 195.5. 195.5, that is equals to 977.5. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂತು. ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ, ಸರ್ವೈವಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈವ್ ಇದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 977.5 we got it. Means the per woman we got it as a 0.97. 977.5 divided by 1000 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 0.9775 we got it, and that's why the answer is female births per woman it is. The NRR comment you have to write it as NRR per woman is less than 1. Nodri, is less than 1. Therefore, the population is decreases. The population ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದಂತ. ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ಕ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್. ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಇದು NRR per woman ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಬಂತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. Means the mother is not having a one child also, one female child also. The mother is not replaced by another female. That's why it is the female population is decreases. You have to write it, and compulsory the one more thing, don't forget to write a WSFR formula. You have to write it. Okay. This is a 10 marks sum. 10 marks nag ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? WSFR ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, WSFR into S ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, GRR you are calculating, NRR you are calculating. If they are asking a per woman you are calculating, divide by 1000, then you are writing a comment according to this. If it is more than 1 andre, you have to write it NRR is equal to NRR per woman is equal to 1 female birth. If it is a more than 1 or 2 it is there, means the population increases. You have to write it. The population increases. If it is a less than 1, that's why we written as a population decreases. And the one more thing, you have to write a WSFR formula. You have to write it compulsory. Okay. This completes the 4 problems we calculated. 1, this is 2, this one is 3, and 4 problems of GRR and NRR. Okay. ನೀವು ಇದು 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಇದು GRR ಮತ್ತೆ NRR. either they are asking 5 marks or 10 marks. 10 marks ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 5 marks ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತದ, ಡೆಫಿನಿಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ GRR and NRR. In the next video, the 21 sum number 21, that is a mortality rate. I will do it in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the video. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾರ ಇತ್ತು, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೂ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳಿಸ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲೇ. ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ನಾನು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು, ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.